Hey, I'm Krista with WTI. I recently have become just a little obsessed with sourdough bread. So having this La Voilette 9-piece baking set has really helped me to get started on my bread making journey to satisfy all my cravings. For a beginner, it was a huge relief to get a cast iron pan that's made specifically for bread baking with this set. As you can see, it looks luxurious and is beautifully crafted with a deep red enamel. It measures 10 inches in diameter, so it's just the perfect size for a traditional round sourdough loaf. The lid has good weight and it really locks in the moisture while baking, ensuring that my loaves are evenly cooked and raised. And when I say that this bread baking set is complete, I mean it. It came with all the tools that I need from beginning to end. It just starts with 3 simple ingredients. Then I use the dough whisk for ease of mixing a new batch of dough, plastic and metal scrapers to help me work with and separate the sticky dough, the round rattan banneton basket, which is perfect for proofing my dough, the linen liner that ensures my dough rises and doesn't dry out overnight in the refrigerator, and I get to experiment with creative designs on the top of my loaves by using the razor-sharp scoring lane. Finally, I can transfer my dough from my countertop into a hot and ready pan to bake with the silicone bread mat. They've even included a linen bread bag with a drawstring. This allows me to store my freshly baked loaf and keep it crisp. This La Voilette baking set is beautiful, designed wonderfully, and it provides a perfect loaf with every try. You're going to feel like a professional baker in your very own kitchen. And that's my point of view.